There you go. You got the chips. Whatever it is, that's one of the birds. And he searches all of them, and they all have this within them.
Y'all got chips, huh? Dang.
Look at that, y'all. Every single one of them had them in it.
No flies.
That's why there were no flies.
You know, that's probably why birds can go onto electrical wires and not get shocked and fried. You know, look, I had a bird that fell out the tree in my front yard a little while back. And in like a week, that bird, it was like bone because I got ate up, you know? So what's up with these fake birds out here with, oh man, they got computer chips and birds.